Okay, day 3 at the old battery and the straw build. Hello, Michael. Hello. Right, let's go. It's rained quite a bit today, but we have had, fortunately, some dry spells. Hello, Baba. Hello, Salty. Oh. No, I don't have anything. You've had everything there is. What? Do you want to say hello? Say hello. Okay. No. You can't eat the iPad. Nope. Oh, girl. Right, off we go. Quite tired today. Done over 12 hours work, so fairly tired. Anyway, off we go. Over the gate. The gate's designed to keep the pigs in, although they don't like it much. Don't see why they can't go on the fields. Anyway, here we go. This from the top view. Progress today. So diggers arrived, and we've done a bit of digging out, and we've done quite a bit of the fencing, as you can probably see. Bottom rails mostly. Anyway, let's quickly take a walk down. I need to be as quick as I can because I'm starving, because I'm not eating yet. Oh, very muddy. In fact, it's probably going to get muddier because we've obviously got the digger in, which is making a bit of a mess. Anyway, just something that's happened today. I guess nothing really goes very smooth. And today, this is our build site, which I showed you yesterday. So there's one end of the building. There's the other end of the building with the digger sat between. This happens to be the middle of the building, and unfortunately, in the middle of the building, we found this. Might not look much, but it is. It's the soak away for the septic tank. So basically, the tank's over there. That takes all the sewage, and on the drawings for the house, the original house that was built, which is up there, by the way, guys. There's the house up there. Anyway, but the toilet and the drainage system all comes down into the septic tank here. And then it should go this way, that way, and that way, and that way, and that way, and off into the gully there. It's called a soakaway. So when your tank gets full with mostly liquids, the idea is that it soaks away. Anyway, whoever designed ours kind of put it in the wrong place. It's not really where it should be, and unfortunately, it's bang in the middle of the building. And if we walk along, you can actually see that it stays pretty much within the building, right up to this as far as we dug out, and then we kind of thought, right, what are the options? Because as you can see, that's the edge of the building there, and the sewage system's still in the building. We can't afford to have the sewage system running underneath because I've got to dig the foundations. So the options were, according to the architect John, were to move the building away from the septic tank, which means that we've been moving it round about, if you look back, that's about 45 feet. So we'd have to move it back by 45 feet, and we don't have enough room. Well, there isn't enough room. So moving the building further back is not an option. So unfortunately, this is Friday. Not sure what date it is, but it is Friday. So come Monday, what we're going to do is disconnect the soakaway system and lay a brand new one. Obviously there's a bit of cost involved in that. Well, quite a bit of cost involved in it, but anyway, we have to suck eggs and just do it. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing Monday morning, we're going to put in a new soakaway system that will follow the contours of the land. Because down there we actually have a gully which is full of reeds, which is exactly where it should have gone, the soakaway system, but for some strange reason isn't. Anyway, so that's where we're up to there. As you can see, digger's been in and started levelling off some of the ground. The foundations will be roughly this deep. Just give you a quick look. So we're about 300 mil there. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they need to be 300 millimeters deep. What's actually going to happen, because we're going to follow again the contour of the land, there'll be 300 millimeters deep at that end, and gradually there'll be a graduation of 200 millimeters deep at the furthest corner of the building, which is there. So there will be a small stepping system. I'll show you where we got up to with the pig fence. Unfortunately, it was a bit difficult today because we had all the piglets out, stealing the tools, running off with them. So as fast as we're actually doing things, the babies were undoing things. Anyway, here we go. So there's the system that we use, and there's the bottom rail. We've also put in a couple of what we call strainers. We use a system of straining against a post so you can tighten your wire, because obviously you don't want your wire to be floppy. This is the wire, and this wire has to have a bit of tension on it, and to get that tension I use they're basically strainers, which they're like clamps. You put them on one end of the wire, tie off against a post like this, a big post, something that won't move. That's in about 6 foot, that one. It's called a strainer. It's thicker than the other posts, as you noticed. So basically what you do is you strain against the strainer, tighten your wire off, and then attach your wire using staples. That's basically what we've done. But what you've got here will be the double gate. So you've got 2 strainers for enough back. A little bit more. So you've got 2 strainers there, and that's where 2 field gates will go to let the pigs onto the field. So this system that we're using at the moment will stay. It's going to stay. There'll be a top and bottom rail, as you can see over there. Because once the barn's built, this will be the immediate breakfast and evening meal area for the pigs. Yeah, so that's where we're at today. A lot of hard work. Made some good progress, really. Hit a few hitches, and we'll see what Monday brings. And tomorrow we're off to the auction, because there's a local auction here over at Hexham. And we're going to go and see what we can get, whether we can get some more posts and fencing rails, and if we're very lucky, a cheap trailer to move all the straw bales and things. Anyway, I am now going to sign off because I'm tired and I want my dinner, actually. I'm buggered. So there's the digger. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow or Monday on day 4. Okay? Thanks. Cheers. Bye.